Hey stamping friends, this is Jill with Flourishing Finishes, and I'm really excited to share with you some scrapbooking pages today. I am using the Storybook Life scrapbook kit from Stampin Up. It is on the clearance rack, so it may be gone. It may be while supplies last. You'll have to check it out and see, but it is really cute, and I'm choosing to coordinate it with just 2 packs of Storybook Moments that I had in my craft room on my kind of like my card making shelf to add a little bit more to this. It's great because we do have additional pages and additional stickers and stuff that we can get with the scrapbook stuff, but what I'm kind of beginning to see is that some of the designer series paper, we can make cards with stuff and we can scrapbook. Same with the memory kits or the additional packs of 12 by 12 paper that coordinate, and I think that's really fun. So what I wanted to show today is just how super cute and super simple that the pages come together. It comes with your instructions. As you can see on my pages, I again have a large family, so I customized them a little bit. My picture had to turn a different way, so I modified. I went ahead and handled my 3 pages with the kit. And then, super cute, all the photos. And then I had a lot of additional photos that the kids love to see of all the fun. So I found some paper and I just added paper and I added little pop-outs that were in the pack. I could have done a lot more. I could have made this a lot more detailed. I chose to keep it simple, the pages simple, because the pages have so much going on in the patterns and with the little die cuts that I didn't really think it needed anything else. And this page is cute because it kind of puts everything in from the previous pages. I picked colors and I picked, patterns. Like this is a pattern that was in the scrapbook kit. Like as you see, I'll bring back so in my pages, I pulled, like this was the yellow that I used. So I tried to coordinate, like these were some of the die cuts, the duck, there was a smaller one, this paper. So that's kind of how it all comes together to make one event. So I was able to make the 3 layout pages that come with this, and then I was able to make 3 additional layout pages with the additionals pages that I made. And I still have, as you see, supplies in my scrapbook kit that I could have used as well instead of pulling the other DSP. So there are a lot of options for scrapbooking and getting the pages that you need if you're looking and you're like, this is great, but I have more pictures. Or maybe you want to break these down and use them for 3 different events, which I showed in another video. So anyway, that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and until next time, I hope you flourish.